Hmm.
Good morning, children. How are you, children? During this pandemic, I think all of you are well, and please stay inside your house. Don't go outside here and there. So, children, I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Sen Gupta of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So, teacher and students, there is a bonding. So, we should maintain this bonding. Teacher trusts the student and students also trust the teacher, and they should trust the teacher. So children, today's moral value is you should respect your teachers and all the elders of your home. Okay, now today I am going to start my session with the brain teaser unit number 4. Question number 4. In earlier session I have discussed up to question number 3. So now I am going to discuss question number 4 of brain teaser. Divide and check the answer. This thing I have taught you in the previous class. How to do division, and after division how to check the answer. Now still I am recapitulating it since this is a recapitulation session. So 2000 divided by 12, here 2000 is dividend and 12 is a divisor. So 2000 is having 4 digit number. So there are 4 place value, that is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now 2000s. We give the division form divided by 12. Now starting from the extreme left side, the maximum place value digit, that is 2, 2000. But here 2 is less than 12. So we will multiply 12 by 0 at the thousands place. So 0 times of 12 is 0. Now 2 minus 0 is 2. Now I will put down this 0 at the thousands place along with 2. Now it becomes 20. What is the meaning of 20? What is the value of 20? It is 20 Now here all of you see that 20 is more than 12. Correct? Now 20 hundreds will be divided by 12. So now let's start the table. 2 times of 12 is 24. It is not applicable because 24 is more than 20. So 1 times of 12, I will put 1 at the 100 place. 1 times of 12 is 12. So 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay. Now I will put down this 0 along with 8. It becomes 80. 80 tens. 80 tens will be divided by 12. Here 80 is more than 12. So let's start the table. 12 6 are 72. 12 7 are 84. 84 will not be applicable since 84 is more than 80. So 12 6 are 72. It is applicable. We can do subtraction from 80. So 80 minus 72 is 8. Okay. Now I will again put down this last 0 at the ones place. Now it becomes 81s. Correct? Now 81s will be divided by 12. Here 80 is again more than 12. Correct? So 12, 6 times of 12 is 72. 80 minus 72 is 8. Here children, remainder is 8 and the quotient is 116. Now here you have to check the answer. Now children, let us check it whether the division is correct, and in your question also you have to check your answer. Now we know that here dividend is, what is dividend? That is equals 2000. Correct? And divisor is equals 12. And what is the quotient? Quotient is equals 166. And what is the remainder? It equals 8. So according to the method, dividend equals what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here what is divisor? Divisor is 12. What is quotient? Quotient is 166 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 8. So here 12 times of 166, it is 1992. Now plus 8, so it is equals 2000. It is same as dividend. Same as dividend. So it is checked. question number B. It is 7682 by 45. So you have to do it by your own effort. Now let us discuss next question. Question number 5. It is very important. Answer, please pay attention. Okay, children. Now let us discuss question number 5. So here in question number 5, given that, what is given? 270 times of 15 is 4050, 4050. Now you have to find the product of A, 270 into 16. Now here children, all of you know that multiplication is the repeated addition. Now here all of you see that children, let me explain that 270 times of 15, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of it? 270 times of 15 is equals 4050. The meaning is that 270 is repeated 15 times. Okay. Or you can say 15 is repeated 270 times. So 15 is repeated 270 times. So here all of you see 270, this number is repeated 15 times. So 270 plus 270 plus, it is repeated for 50 times. Correct? 15 times. This is first time, second time, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15. 15 times 270 is repeated, then after addition it gives 4050. Let me explain again. 270 is repeated 15 times, correct? Then it gives the product is 4050. Here 270, it is repeated, it means it is repeatedly added. 270 is repeatedly added, it is repeated addition. Multiplication, the other name of multiplication is repeated addition. So here 270 is repeatedly added. 270 plus 270 plus 270 plus 270 plus 270 plus 270, it is repeatedly added up to 15 times. 15 times it is repeatedly added. After addition it gives 4050. Here question is 270 into 16. It means 270 is repeated 16 times. Here 270 is repeated 15 times. You get 4050. So here 270 is repeated 16 times. It means with the 4050, one more 270 will be added. Then it will be equal to 270 is repeated 16 times. Listen carefully. 270 is repeatedly added for 15 times. This meaning of this multiplication, 270 into 15. 270 is added 15 times. 15 बार उसे ऐड किया जाता है. 15, 270, 15 बार times ऐड करके 4050. And here 270 into 16. It means 15 के बाद again we add 270 more. So 270 is added with 4050. Okay, then it will be added 0, 0, 0, 7 plus 5, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and it is 4. So here answer is 4320. You multiply, then you will see that it is 4320. Here all of you see this 1s and 0, 1, 0, it is added, 0 plus 0 is 0. The 7 tens and 5 tens, it is 12 tens. So 2 will be there, 1 10 is at the 10 10, that is 1, 10 10 will be as a carryover. This 10 10 will become 100. So 1 plus 2 equals 3 and 4 is as it is. I will write down because here in thousands place no digit is there. This is 0, 4 plus 0 is 4. So this is the answer. 270 into 16 is 4320. 4320. Now next question. Now B. Here question is 270 into 14 will be equal to what? Now here children, we have already discussed that 270 into 15 is equals 4050. I have explained that 270 is repeated 15 times, then it gives 4050. Here 270 is repeated 14 times. It means it is minus 1 time, then 15. You will subtract 270 from this 15 times of 270, then you will get 14 times of 217, because 15 minus 1 is 14. It means here इसका मतलब क्या है, 270 जो है 14 times it is repeated, right? Here 270 is repeated 15 times, we get 4050, correct? So if we subtract, अगर ये 15 बार है, 15 बार अगर एक घटा दें, if we subtract 1, 1 क्या, 270, because 270 is added repeatedly 15 times. 270 ऐड हुआ है. अब ये 270 जो है 270 प्लस 270, so प्लस डैश 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 अप टू 270, इट मीन्स 14 टाइम्स. ये 14 बार रिपीट हुआ है, करेक्ट? सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? सो सिंपल, दिस इज 15 बार रिपीटेशन में यू गेट 4050. इफ यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट, अगर एक हटा दो 15 टाइम्स में, मान लो ये 15 टाइम्स है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. मैं पूरा लिख रही हूँ. 15 टाइम्स 270, 270 प्लस 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 270. See, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 plus 270 13 plus 270 14 plus 270 15. So ये 15 times if you add 270, then what you will get? 4050. ठीक है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 270 into 16. इट मीन्स क्या होगा? what you will how you will get this 270 into 16 means इस 15 के साथ एक और 270 ऐड करोगे, then it will be 270 into 16. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. जब मैंने 270 फिर और ऐड किया 15 टाइम्स के बाद, तब ये 16 टाइम्स हुआ. तब उसमें क्या करेंगे? 15 टाइम्स में क्या है? 4050. तब इसको कितना मैंने ऐड किया? 270. तब ये कितना आएगा? 4320. लेकिन आप क्वेश्चन पे आओ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ये दिस इज 270 is repeated 15 times, correct? So what is the answer here given? 4050. आपका क्वेश्चन है जी 270 is repeated 14 times, then what? Simple, just remove this 15 times. हटा दो इसको. ओके, हटाना मीन्स माइनस 270. किससे? ये 4050 से अगर 270 हटा दोगे, तब जो रिजल्ट आएगा दैट विल बी 270 टाइम्स ऑफ 14. ओके, या और 270 टाइम्स ऑफ 14 और 14 टाइम्स ऑफ 270. 270 इज रिपीटेड 14 टाइम्स. लेट्स सी. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. जब मैंने 15 को हटा दिया, 15 को हटा दिया, तो हटाना माने 270 को घटा देना, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना. देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ 270 इंटू 14, करेक्ट? इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा? व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू? इट इज इक्वल्स 4050 माइनस 270. इसमें से हटा दिया मैंने. देन व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? लेट्स सी, फाइंड आउट द रिजल्ट. Here 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 5 it is 15, then it will be 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. It is 8, correct? 2 after 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, it is 7, and 1 minus 4 is 3. So answer is 3780. So it is 3780. Now let's check it. This is 14 times 3780. All of you see. Now here 14 times 3780. Now I am adding 15 times 270 और ऐड कर रही हूँ इसमें 15 टाइम्स माने 270 इंटू 15. ठीक है, इसको देखो जोड़ के 0 + 0 is 0, 7 + 8 15, 5 1 कैरी ओवर, 1 कैरी ओवर, 0 + 0 0, 7 + 8 15, 1 carry over, 7 + 2 9 + 1 10, 0 1 carry over, 3 + 1 4. All of you see 4050. This is the answer you got. 270 times of 15. 270 into 15 equal to 4050. Now let us again check the next one. Here 3780. Okay, 14, right? And in 15 what is 4050? We get 4050, 270 into 15. Now with 4050 I am going to add 270. It is what? 0 + 0 0, 7 + 5 12 to 1, 2 + 1 3 and then 4. It is equal to 270 into what? 16. जब हम 4050 के साथ 270 ऐड करते हैं तो ये 270 इंटू 16 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. देन इट इज़ 4320. अगर 4050 के साथ -270 करते हैं देन इट इज़ 270 इंटू 14 टाइम्स, दैट इज़ 3780. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ नेक्स्ट कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. In question number 6, what is the total cost of fencing 275 plots of land if the cost of fencing one plot of land is rupees 950. Here children, all of you listen. What is the total cost of fencing 270 plots of land? Fencing means to make the boundary, to cover the boundary. Fencing 275 plots of land. If the cost of fencing one plot of land is rupees 950. For example, this is the plot. Okay, what we have to do? We have to make the boundary wall. Fencing means to make the boundary wall. Correct? This is the fencing. So fencing of one plot is cost rupees 950. Right? So what will be the fencing of 275 plots? 275 times of 950. Correct? So children, here in this you have to do multiplication. Correct? So what you will do? You will multiply 275 into 950. Then you will get the price of fencing 275 plots. Right children? You have to do this question with your own effort. Now come to discuss question number 7. In question number 7 children, there are fill in the blanks are there. Okay, fill in the blanks. Question number 7 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, and it is related to your chapter multiplication and division. Okay, some properties of multiplications and some properties of divisions are there. So this question number 7 you have to do it. This is your homework. So your classwork is children of brain teaser unit number 4. CWork is question number 4, 5 and 6 that I have explained, and your HWork is question number 7 and 8. So children, hope you have enjoyed my class. Stay safe, be safe. Till then, bye bye.